First, create a plane and set its size. For example, use 656 feet by 656 feet. With 60 segments in both length and width. Next, apply the Displace modifier. Load your height map bitmap, then adjust the size and blur settings according to your preference. If you want to add more detail, use Poly Select and enable soft selection or other relevant options. Apply the noise modifier to add additional detail or randomness to the surface. Now, create the road path by drawing a line in the Shapes section where you want the road. Use the iTooSoft Glue 3D plugin. Open Utilities. Go to More, select Glue 3D, then pick the path and pick the base surface. Click Glue Selected to apply the path onto the surface. To smooth the path, apply the Normalize modifier and adjust the settings to your liking. Apply the Sweep modifier to the path to give the road thickness. Set the width as needed, for example, 30 feet. Select the surface and use PolyDraw to confirm the road area. First, go to Draw on Surface mode and pick the road. Then, switch to PolyDraw and confirm the area. This area is part of the road. Straighten it a bit and confirm the selection. Copy the road with Control, plus V. Next, apply an Edit Poly modifier. Inside Edit Poly, enable by angle to make the selection easier. Then, raise the geometry slightly to give it some height. Now, select the surface and go to the Boolean modifier. Subtract the raised road section from the surface. Select the borders where subtraction occurred. Hold Shift and drag downwards to copy these borders. Hold Ctrl and click on Polygons to select connected polygons. Detach these polygons to assign a separate texture, such as stone, to the cut areas. Make a copy of the road by pressing Ctrl+V. Scale it slightly smaller to use as side barriers or guardrails made of stone. In the Material Editor, load the road texture bitmap and apply it to the road. In the Sweep modifier, enable Generate Mapping Coordinates for proper texture mapping. Apply the UVW X-Form modifier to fine-tune texture placement on the road for accurate alignment. Smooth the guardrails and apply materials. Texture adjustments will be done later. To create a lake or river, draw a path where you want water and apply the Sweep modifier to shape the water body accordingly. Select the surface and turn on Soft Selection. This allows easy movement and shaping of vertices. Apply different materials to all objects. Adjust the road by warping or moving it slightly as needed. For advanced detailing and texturing, a separate tutorial will be created.